There are YouTube channels that keep getting views, even when they're not uploading new videos. And a lot of them do it with 24/7 live streams. Here's the part most people miss. Many of those live streams are not filmed in real time. They're pre-recorded videos running as a live format. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things. First, why the 24/7 live format can lift watch time, retention, and revenue. Second, real examples of channels already doing it. Third, a step-by-step setup inside Gyre Pro, so you can test it on your own channel. Gyre Pro is a tool for launching 24/7 live streaming using pre-recorded videos. You can run it for YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and Instagram. So instead of constantly producing new content, you can turn your existing library into an always-on live stream. YouTube likes long viewing sessions. Live streams naturally create longer sessions because people drop in at different times, stay longer, and interact more. When watch time rises, your channel's average view duration improves, and that can increase your visibility in recommendations and search. But let's be clear, the format doesn't create miracles. If the content is low quality, no tool can fix that. The real goal is simple. High quality content plus a continuous live format equals faster growth and higher revenue potential. When you add a 24/7 live stream as an additional content lane, you're adding more surface area for discovery. In practice, creators often see lifts like more views, more new subscribers, higher total watch time, and higher average view duration on live compared to regular videos because live audiences interact more. Live RPM can also be higher because longer sessions create more opportunities for ads. Before we talk about any tools, look at the pattern. There are multiple channels across different niches that keep active live streams running all day. You've probably seen it in music, kids content, travel footage, compilations, and entertainment archives. The common thread is that those formats don't need a face-to-face host on camera, so an always-on live stream fits perfectly. Now, the biggest question people have is this safe? Gyre is a certified YouTube live streaming service, and you can verify it in the YouTube service directory. That matters because it signals the service has passed YouTube's checks and approvals. Let's talk about a real case with concrete numbers. There's an entertainment channel built around a hamster navigating mazes. It has 880,000 subscribers and 301 videos. Over the last 6 months, the channel got over 15 million views while running 3 live streams at the same time. In that period, they uploaded 15 long-form videos and launched 26 live streams. And here's the headline. 67% of all views came from live streams, averaging about 397,000 views per live stream. Now look at watch time and retention. In 6 months, total watch time reached almost 1.8 million hours, and 79% of that came from live streams. Retention on regular videos was 4 minutes, 56 seconds. Retention on live streams was 8 minutes, 13 seconds, 66.55% higher. That listed overall channel retention by 41.9%. Subscribers followed the same direction. They gained 55,625 new subscribers, and 72.1% of those subscribers came from live streams. And monetization is where this gets serious. 72% of revenue came from live streams, and RPM was reported as 17% higher than traditional videos. So the value here is not more uploads. It's more consistent distribution and longer viewing sessions using content that already exists. Could you build something similar with a do-it-yourself setup? Technically, yes, but running 24/7 reliably is a stability problem, not a press go live problem. The stream can't drop. The video files must match platform requirements, and you don't want your whole system to depend on your computer staying on forever. Gyre Pro is cloud-based, which means your stream runs from just infrastructure, not from your personal device. It also includes a built-in video converter that optimizes your files to match streaming platform technical recommendations, so you're not guessing settings, and you reduce avoidable buffering and playback issues. Here's the basic workflow. Step 1. Upload your videos into storage inside Gyre Pro. Step 2. If a file is not optimized, run it through the built-in converter so it matches the platform's recommended parameters. Step 3. Build your playlist, meaning the exact sequence of videos you want for the stream. Step 4. Go to YouTube Studio, create a live stream, and get your stream key. Step 5. In Gyre Pro, create a new live stream, choose YouTube as the platform, paste the stream key, and paste the stream ID or URL from YouTube. Step 6. Add the optimized videos or your playlist into the stream. Step 7. Save it, Then start the stream from the Gyre dashboard. And one easy mistake: make sure your YouTube live visibility is set to public. Otherwise, nobody will see it. Don't treat this like a one-time launch. Treat it like a controlled experiment. Recommended testing workflow: create 1 to 4 streams. Let them run for 3 to 7 days to gather clean statistics. Restart your streams every 3 days. Each restart is where you iterate: title, thumbnail, description, playlist structure, and positioning. That approach gives you real data instead of opinions, and it's how you build a stream that actually improves over time. Here are the features that are worth actually showing because they map to real creator pain. The video converter for file optimization, playlists with full control over playback sequencing, a stream calendar or scheduler for planning start and end times, a results calculator to estimate potential outcomes, a knowledge base with best practices and setup guidance, and depending on your niche, options like 4K streaming, vertical streams, 360-degree streaming, and 5.1 sound. One common concern is whether using videos already published on your channel inside a continuous live stream counts as duplication. The rule here is that you're not re-uploading those videos as new uploads. You're rebroadcasting them in a live format through Gyre Pro. So here's the simple takeaway. If you already have quality videos and a channel with stable performance, a 24/7 live stream can add a meaningful second lane, more discovery surfaces, longer sessions, and stronger retention signals. If you have zero traction and weak content, it won't magically fix the channel. But as a distribution system, this format is proven. If you want to try Gyre Pro, also check the affiliate registration link in the description if you want to earn by recommending it. Plus, Gyre operates within YouTube's rules. We're partners and included in the recommended services catalog for streaming, so you can trust it won't jeopardize your channel.
Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.